Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 92 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 by our friends over at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to grab one of these for yourself and build along with me, hop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too could be building this beautiful 1/6 scale model. Let's have a quick scoop through today's magazine, All American section, the development of the Batmobile. Yeah, look at that. Unbelievable. 6.4 litre V8 engine developed with 330 brake horsepower. Look at that. You can see that at the Comic Con. Yes. Unbelievable. Back to Future there. First car driven by Batman in the comic was a Ford 812 Cabriolet. Yes. The Batmobile was based on the Futura, a prototype developed by Ford in 1955. This is another Batmobile that was in the Christopher Nolan movies, The Tumbler. Get the magazines a read, folks. You'll find out loads of little snippets. Today we're going to be building up the starter motor, according to this. So we're going to be putting all of this together, as well as the radiator bracket. So might need your radiator as well today, folks. Loads of attachments going on the front section of the engine, so we're going to need that. There you go. It should actually, I think, be an alternator, but there you go. Nice, concise instructions there showing you how this all goes together. So bring your radiator in to fit that, and then we can put that away safely. Various pulleys to go on, and then this is what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. Okay. Next up, you've got the GT40 early prototypes. Loads of information there. Joe Schlescher smashed his car during trials at Le Mans circuit. And there you go, there's the GT40 there with his creation. And an iconic car. Look at that big old motor there. Beautiful 4.2 litre V8 on the prototype there. Beautiful. That's the magazine done. Let's scoop back, open it up so we can lay out all our parts, and then we'll do some assembly, folks. Right, so we've got two halves going together there like so. You've got a notch and a notch. So you want to slide those through there like so. Okay, so that's that done. Nice and easy. You then got your big old pulley going on like so. And we want this pulley with the notch on it. Okay, so let's just line that up over there, and then that's going through that piece there, and then we're going to be fitting a PS5 screw. So let's grab one of them, bit of oil on the end of it, and we can fit that. Right down in there. Here's where we're going. Just like so. Okay. That doesn't turn, so we're looking like it's static pulley, so we can go around and tighten all our pulleys up now. So that's going in there. We then got this bracket that is going to come down and go through the front of the engine block. And it's got a pin and a large prong, so that goes in like so. And then from behind, that is going to be mounted with a PS05. So let's grab that. We'll have some oil on it, like so. And then we'll fire the screw in the hole just down the back there. That's not going anywhere. Use some of that. And then we want another two of those because we're now going to be mounting the alternator. Like so. Let's grab our oil. Let that work its way around the thread. And then this way around, we can then pop in our alternator, which is going in there. That. Okay, so that's what we want. So let's just pop a screw in there. Now I'm holding the back of the bracket because I don't want to put any pressure on it if I can help it. So I've lightly done that one just so that I can bring the other one in, get that in situ, and then we can tighten both of them up together. And again, I'll just go around with a detail brush just to pick out any different colour bolts and things like that for my own personal taste. There you go, so we can fully tighten them now. Like that. That top one just needs tightening a bit more. Cool, I'm happy with that. So that's that. We're then going to bring down our radiator and bracket, and this is going together with some PS5 screws. So let's grab one of those. Grab a bit of oil, like that. And then we'll pop our bracket on, okay? So we're going that way round, like so. And then the radiator itself is then going to come in like so. Perfect. And then that pipe is going to come out and go down the bottom of the chassis. So we want a bit of that going on. Grab the second screw. And send that in there, just like so. So that's the radiator mounted to its fitting bracket. I'm happy with that. And then the pipe itself will come out and sit and come out the bottom of the car. Just a new cute little angle. Cool. So that's that done. Next up, we want 92F, which is the big pulley, like so. And we want to go that way round. Grab our DS2 screw. Bit of oil on this because we're going into die cuts. There you go. We can then rest that on my knuckle, straight in there and secure that. Then grab our next pulley and bring that in, just like so, okay? And then we can secure that, just like so. Send that in there. And fully home, job done. So that's them all in. Now we get to do our belts. So let's pop them in order. They're coming around like so. 2 engine belts on here. Let's grab you. Come round like that. And then we're coming round there. Like so. Here's what it's telling me. So that's what it's getting. I want to try and get any twists out as I can. Just like so. Okay. And then grab our second one and do the same again. Again, just take any twists out as you can. And then we can bring that over like so. Okay. There you go. So that's that done. And then we can just feed that towards the back there. Just take any tension off that alternator. So that's that side done. And then we got a single belt then coming round to the power steering pump. Or the oil pump. Like that. And that, folks, is what we've got today. Loads of bits and pieces of the engine ready to go, folks, okay? So, don't forget, if you'd like to grab this and build one of these along with me, head over to DeAgostini's website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this iconic car. Also, to help me out, if you can just click little festa and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow, keeps it alive. Ring the bell whilst you're there to be notified of future content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.